my dear friends, welcome to SD Tech Walk. In the previous video, we have discussed about strings in Python. In this video, we will discuss about string methods in Python. Let's move on to the video now. Before starting, we need to know what is a method or a function. A method or a function is a set of instructions which will perform a particular task. Now let me take a string str is equal to welcome to SD Tech Walk. And the first function what we are going to discuss here is len function. So what is the use of this len function? It will return the length of the string. So how do I use that? Len of str. Yes, I have got the length. This includes the spaces too. And now before going to the next function, I want to use two more operators here. First one is in and the next one is not in operator. So I want to check E, the character, whether it is present in my string. Yes, it is present. So if it is present, it will return true. I want to check for F is present in str. No, it is not present. So it will return false. And how do I use not in operator? E is not in str. So what will be the output now? E is not in str. False, because E is present in str. And now I check for F not in str. Yes, it is not in str. So it will return me false. Okay, now in and not in operator will give me only whether it is present or not, true or false, but it will not give me the index or it will not give me the occurrence where it is present. So we go for the next function, that is called find function. So what is the function we are going to discuss next is find function I have, and I have rfind function and I have index function, and one more we have rIndex function. So these are the things we are going to check now. So what is the find function will do? Whichever character or the substring you give, it will return the first occurrence of that character. It will return the index of the character. So now let me check str dot. I know what is my str. Welcome to SD Tech Walk. And I want to check now find str dot find. E only I will give now. Yes, the first occurrence. 0 is for W and 1 is for E. So it has given me 1. That's fine. It is working fine. But I have other two more E's too. That is in welcome, ME I have, and in Tech Walk, TECH I have. Two more occurrences I have. So now the next function I will try, that is rfind function. What is this rfind function will do? It will give me the first occurrence from the end of the string. So this is end of the string, my E in Tech Walk. The index is 14. This is what is my find function. And one more thing also we can do here, find E I want to find. You can specify the range too. From 2 to 10 I want to find. Within this range, what is the occurrence? So it is present in ME. So that is 6. So that is an optional thing only. It is not only one character you can give a substring also. More than one characters also we can give. Then what is my index function will do? Now str dot index of E. Yeah, I have got the same thing. That is, it will return the index of the first occurrence. Now str dot rIndex of E. Yes, it is returning now the first occurrence from the end of the string. That is fine. But then what is the difference between find and index? Now let me check one character or some substring which is not present. For example, if I don't have, I want to check now. So find function is returning me -1 if the character is not present. Now what about my index function? What does it return if the character is not there? Yeah, it's giving me an error. So this is the difference between my index and find function. That is, the find function will return -1 if the data is not found, and the index function will return an error. It will throw an exception on an error or an error. So this is my index and find functions. Now let me take another example. str is equal to welcome, and I have one more string str1 is equal to, both the strings are same now. str is equal to str1. Yes, it is same. No, it's not same. It is giving me false. Why it is not same? Because in str1 I have some spaces, so I don't want the spaces. Whenever I check the strings are equal, actually the strings are equal, but the spaces are making me it is not equal. So I want to remove the space. Whether I have any functions for that? Yes, I have some function called strip function, and one more function also I have, that is rstrip function, and another function what I have is lstrip function. So what is strip function? If I tell the other two, you will be able to make it. So strip function will remove the spaces, that is from the beginning, and at the end also it will remove the spaces. Okay, let me know how to use this now. str1 only has spaces. I need to remove from that. str1 dot strip. Yes, I have got the required output. So now all the spaces have been removed. The similar way you can remove from right side using rstrip and left side using lstrip. Let me check that too. str1 dot lstrip. Yes, the left side spaces have been removed. str1 dot rstrip. Yes, the right side spaces have been removed. So this is the use of strip functions. So this is my strip functions. Next function what we'll discuss is about replace function. So replace function. So some character or substring we are going to replace with the other string. So I'll go back to my original string, that is welcome to SD Tech Walk. Yes. Now I want to replace welcome by some other word. So how do I use this function str dot replace? What I want to replace? I want to replace welcome with what you want to replace? Replace with hello. So hello to SD Tech Walk. So now it has been replaced. So this is my replace function. So now what is my original str? It is not changed. See here, whichever operation, whichever method we apply, the original string is not being changed because strings are immutable. So when you want to store this result, you have to create another string and store the result. But the original string is immutable. It will not be changed. Now next function what we are going to see is a split function. I want to go for a split function. So what is this split function? With the name itself we know that it is going to split the original string. So I have my str welcome to SD Tech Walk. I want to split this. So how do I use this function? str dot split, and with what you want to split. So if I see a space, I want to split this. So whatever it is splitting, it will return it as a list. So list data type we have not discussed till now. In the future videos we will discuss, maybe in the next video we can discuss about list. So this is returning a list. So I think you will be able to understand split with what character we need to specify, that is called the separator. So here with a space. So welcome space is there, so that will be a first string. After two a space is there, so that will be a second string. And then SD Tech Walk will be the last string. So now I want to store this in a list. LSD is equal to the same thing only I am writing here, split with a space. Yes. So what is my list now? Sorry. What is my list now? Yes, we have got our list is welcome is the first string, 2 is the second string, and SD Tech Walk is the third string. So now we go for the other method called join method. The next method what I want to discuss is about join method. So I have a list here and 3 strings we have in this. I want to join these 3 strings to a single string. So that is what is the join operator will do. Now first thing you need to specify the separator. So what is the separator you want to use here? Using hyphen or any character you can give. I want to join. dot, okay, separator dot. I want to specify here join. What you want to join? I want to join the list. So here we have got welcome to SD Tech Walk, and it has been joined using hyphen. If I would have given space, then the same original string will be my output. So this is my join operation. Hope it is clear for the with the join operation. Now let's discuss about very easy functions. How to change to uppercase. Yes. So we have our original string. Yeah, it is unchanged. We have the same thing. And what is my upper function will do? It will convert all the characters of the string to uppercase. That is capital letters. It will change. How do I use this? str.upper. That's all. It's so simple. Similarly, we have other functions too. I want to change all the values, all the characters to lowercase. Yes, I have got. And next one, I wanted to go for a title case. Title case is the first character of each word will be capitalized. So this is my title case. And one more thing also I can try, that is called swap case. Swap case is nothing but whichever character is capital, it will go to small, and small will be converted to capital. So this is my swap case. Yeah, the next function what we are going to discuss is also very easy functions. That is, we discuss about isalpha function we can discuss. I use my same string here. str is equal to welcome. Only this much we'll take because it is just to check these things. Okay, str dot isalpha, whether alphabets are there? Yes, it is true. str dot isdigit, whether digits means 0 to 9. No, because it has only the alphabets. So I can take one more string, str1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, and we can check str1 dot isdigit. Expecting to give true. Yes, I have got true. So similarly, we can check for is upper, is lower, is space, is title. So many things are there. Hope you will be able to follow that with this. And here we end the string methods. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have understood and liked the video, please give me a like. Do share with your friends and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And for further notifications, please hit the bell button. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.